periodontist is a dental specialist who is also known as a gum specialist. They specialize in the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of periodontal gum disease and in teeth replacement using dental implants. Periodontists or periodontal specialists are also skilled experts in saving teeth by treating many of the oral and dental diseases, including inflammation. As periodontists, they receive extensive specialty training in the areas of dental implants and gum disease treatment that includes an additional 3 years of education beyond dental school. These gum specialists are familiar with the latest innovations in diagnosing and treating periodontal gum disease and are well trained in performing cosmetic periodontal and dental implant procedures. Due to their extensive training, they can recognize and treat the early stages of gum inflammation before it gets out of hand, perform minor oral surgery to restore complicated cases of gum disease, and use lasers or gum grafting techniques to restore the appearance of a smile. Periodontists often treat complex and more problematic periodontal conditions in patients with severe gum disease or those with a complex medical history. Periodontists help patients by treating severe gum disease using gum surgical procedures, osseous surgery, regenerative gum surgery, and so on. In addition, periodontists are specially trained in the dental reconstruction using placement, maintenance, and repair of dental implants.